Hey there, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to refresh your space, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 2025's hottest home design ideas. From bold colors to smart living solutions, these trends will transform your home. Let's get started. 1. Bold color statements. Neutral tones are stepping aside. In 2025, bold colors like navy, emerald, and burnt orange are making waves. Whether it's a feature wall, furniture, or decor, these rich hues add personality and depth to your space. Two. Multifunctional furniture. With space becoming more precious, multifunctional furniture is a must. Think modular sofas, extendable dining tables, and smart storage solutions. Perfect for both small apartments and large homes looking for versatility. Three. Organic and sustainable materials. Sustainability is a big focus this year. Incorporate materials like reclaimed wood, bamboo, and natural fabrics. Not only are they eco-friendly, but they also add warmth and texture to your home. Four. Biophilic design. Bringing the outdoors in is a top trend for 2025. Add greenery with indoor plants or create a feature wall with a vertical garden. Large windows and skylights also help connect your space with nature. Five. Statement lighting. Lighting is no longer just functional, it's a design feature. Opt for oversized pendant lights, abstract chandeliers, or quirky table lamps to make a bold statement in any room. Six. Mix of modern and vintage. 2025 is all about blending styles. Pair vintage finds with sleek, modern pieces for a curated, lived-in look. It's a great way to make your space feel unique and timeless. Seven. Smart home integration. Smart homes are evolving. In 2025, it's all about seamless integration. Invest in smart lighting, automated window treatments, and energy-efficient appliances to make your home both functional and futuristic. Eight. Textured walls and ceilings. Say goodbye to plain walls. Textured finishes like lime wash, 3D wallpaper, and wooden ceiling panels are trending this year, adding depth and dimension to your spaces. Nine. Personalized spaces. 2025 is the year of personalization. Create spaces that reflect your personality. Think custom furniture, gallery walls, or a dedicated hobby corner. Make your home uniquely yours. 10 Outdoor living spaces. Outdoor spaces are getting a major upgrade. Invest in comfortable outdoor furniture, string lights, and functional decor to extend your living area into your garden, balcony, or patio. And there you have it, 2025's best home design ideas to transform your space. Which trend will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more home inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.